Hello, I'm really going to show you how you can do a page redirect in Cloudflare. So I have set one up and it successfully works. So just see AI marketing.monster. If I go to marketingmonster.app, it's going to redirect me back to this. Okay, so I set that up in Cloudflare and I was having difficulties to get this to work. So what I was doing wrong, I found out, is that I didn't have these A records. I didn't have a root domain record and I didn't have my www. And it needed to go to this IP address, 192.0.2.1. They both needed to be proxied, and then I could set up the rule, the redirect rule. So I'm just going to show you how you can also do this. So I'm just going to go back to a domain that I can forward. Let me show you how I did this. So go into the one that you want to forward. All right, there's nothing here because we're forwarding it. So we're going to add those records. So an A record, and this is going to be at the root. So we're just going to put at, and it's going to automatically put in our domain name. Then we're going to put in that IP address, 192.0.2.1. And make sure that it's proxied, which it is, and we're going to save. Okay, so now we're going to do that again. Add record, A record. This time it's www, the 3 W's, and then that same IP address again, which is the 192.0.2.1. Save that. Okay, and then we'll go to rules, go to redirect rules. Create a rule. So we're just going to do an all. So this is just give it a name. And then we can give it the code status that we want. So 301, pretty sure that's permanent code. So you have permanent, temporary, and a few other ones. So just look up the right status code that you'll be requiring, static or dynamic. We're just going to do static. It's going to go straight to this web address. So I just put in the URL and I'm just going to deploy that. Okay, so now we've got one of these redirects. Let's go see if it worked. So this is the page. Okay, and work. Okay, so if you're having any issues with redirecting on Cloudflare, the bit that I noticed that I wasn't doing before was I wasn't putting in these A records. So if you put in these A records, you'll be fine. I don't think the Cloudflare documentation has that, so put in those records. Thanks for watching.